Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mushakkal-Me. Hope you all are doing well. Today's tutorial is all about creating a cute little looking nail art with just two nail colors. So all the products that I have used for this tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below as always, so don't forget to check that out. I have already applied 2 layers of this base coat onto my nail, but it was still transparent, so I'm going over with the third coat. So a little story here. When I first began my YouTube journey, my first nail art tutorial was a Dotticure series. So adding to that playlist, I'm going to create this nail art today. So now with the help of that blue color and a dotting tool, I'm going to create dots from one direction to the other, covering half my nail only and going in different direction on different nails. So I'm feeling very colorful lately. So that's why I chose this beautiful vibrant colors by Essence. They are beautiful colors. And now once it's dried out, you apply a good top coat to seal in that nail art. There are many other nail art tutorials which are very short videos, guys. Please don't forget to check that out. And voila, there you have vibrant and beautiful Dotticure nail art. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Mushakkal-Me, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And until next time, take care. Bye.